I'm Lisa Vanderpump, IPSY's November Icon Box Curator. And today I'm spilling the tea on everything you ever wanted to know about me and my friends. Get ready, because I like my tea piping hot. My first question is, I heard you did ballet when you were 3. Can you still do the 5 ballet positions? Well, my husband says I only have 1 position. But back to the ballet. Yes, I can. We have first, we have second, we have third, we have fourth, and we have fifth. Yes, I can still do them. So the next question is, of all the reality stars you've worked with, who needs the Keys Soul Care Truly Becoming Multi-Benefit Peptide Serum the most because they're thirsty? Oh, well, I would give this to all of those thirsty housewives. Yes, do they sell this by the gallon? Of all the housewives, who do you think needs to learn the most about real housekeeping? I can think of one messy person in particular. That would be John Mellencamp's daughter. What's her name again? So my next question, who's the most famous person in your contacts who would answer a call from you right now? Well, I just finished doing a show with Gordon Ramsay for a couple of months, so I'm going to say Gordon. Yes, he needs a call from me right now. So, of all the housewives, who do you think does their makeup the best? I'm going to say Garcelle, but she has an advantage because she is the most naturally beautiful. So which of the housewives could really use the Kevyn Aucoin, the precision brow pencil, to help them draw some better boundaries? Well, none of their eyebrows actually move, so it's not going to be too difficult, including mine, by the way. Maybe I'll give that to Kyle Richards, Kim Richards' little sister. She could do some boundaries. So who on Vanderpump Villa needs a spritz of By Rosie Jane's Rosie Eau de Parfum to mask their attitude? I think it could be Marciano. Yes, I'd like to give him a good squirt of this. Make sure to drop your questions for me in the comments below because I'm not done spilling the tea yet. Stay tuned.